Our today's challenge is given an array of codes. When passed to the generate random code function, it should return a random code. But this is not working at the moment. As you can see, our function is returning the first code always. And by the way, in this file, I have a bunch of codes. So this is what we're going to be using here. So at the moment, if we run this program, we can see we get the first code, and if we run it again, we are getting the same code whenever we run our program. But this is not what we want, right? We want to get a different code whenever our program is run. So instead of passing the index here manually, what we're gonna do is to get the random dynamically. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna declare a variable, and we are going to use the mat.random methods and multiply this by the code at the length. But this is not sufficient. Why? Because the random method, it returns a shadow random number between 0 to 1, and if we time this by the length of the quotes array, what's going to happen? We're going to get a decimal value, and this is not helpful because we want an integer here. So what we're going to do to fix this is to wrap this up using the mat.flow method. And now let's pass our random index here. Now let's run our program. So now we get a different code. Let's run it again. We get another code which is different. Again, another code. And let's run our test to make sure everything is working fine. All the test cases are passing. Wonderful. So this is how you solve this challenge.